In today's Focus on Your Health, Teresa Snow shows us a program that's making sure those applicants get the help they need.
Focus on Your Health is sponsored by MU Healthcare.
Applying to medical school can be a daunting task. MedPrep is designed to make that process a little easier, regardless of a student's background.
Hosea Covington.
Since an early age, Hosea Covington dreamed of wearing a white coat.
I felt like being a physician would allow me to impact patients or people's lives in the most direct way possible.
Today, he's well on the way, doing research in the radiology department and preparing for his second year at the University of Missouri School of Medicine. But the road to medical school wasn't exactly easy.
I wasn't receiving much help, and I thought that this was definitely one opportunity I should take.
That opportunity was MedPrep, a program through the MU School of Medicine that helps students explore careers in healthcare as early as high school.
But once you see the head, we're going to put the back pressure.
I like the simulations just to see what you really do in the field and what's really going on and hands-on.
MedPrep also offers workshops for college students where the focus is getting through the medical school application process, covering topics like personal statements and interviewing skills. The goal? To enhance the pool of med school applicants, with a special focus on minority students, those who are socioeconomically disadvantaged, from rural areas or a non-traditional background.
We want to make sure that we have a diverse group of medical students. The population that we serve as physicians is becoming more and more diverse, so we would like to have the physician base and the patient base match.
Hosea credits MedPrep with giving him confidence and helping him navigate the process. When he's done at MU, he plans to pay it forward and lead by example.
I want to inspire them and give them hope that, for one, not to fear physicians, and access healthcare when you need to, and two, you can be anything you want to be.
Joining me now is Peter Wilden, Faculty Director for MedPrep at the MU School of Medicine. Tell me about some of those hurdles that somebody would have. I can't imagine getting myself to med school, and I'm imagining a lot of students can't either.
Right. So many of the students who don't have family members who have been in healthcare professions have those things where they don't really know. It's a long target for them to look at. So we've tried to provide them with information about what it takes to be a strong applicant to medical school.
How many of them do you see then end up at the MU School of Medicine?
So over the last 5 years, we've been averaging somewhere between 8 and 10 of the members that have gone through our MedPrep program as members of the entering class each year.
Why do you think it's so important that patients see physicians who are from diverse backgrounds?
Right. Well, there's a lot of literature that says that there's more openness in communication between physician and patient if they have similar backgrounds.
And how competitive is it to get into med school?
It's very competitive. We accept usually about somewhere on 3% of our applicants get into medical school.
And there's only about 100 students every year?
112 students currently. We had 3,400 applicants last year.
Wow, it's a big task. We're glad MedPrep is here. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And with Focus on Your Health, I'm Teresa Snow.
Focus on Your Health has been sponsored by MU Healthcare.